Hi loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela, and today I'm going to be giving you guys this really pretty glowy makeup look. I had it in my last vlog pretty much every single day. It's very glowy, youthful, and I'm so obsessed. This is my go-to right now, and it's not using any foundation, just concealer. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Now that we're hydrated, I'm going to be moisturizing my face with the Peach Slices oil-free acne moisturizer, and I love this stuff. You guys have heard me talk about Peach Slices a ton. Then I'm going with my Bliss Block Star SPF 30. I'm sure you guys have heard of this. Literally, it's everywhere. So I just like rub it in my fingers. Warm up the product. What inspired me to do this video was in my last video, I posted a vlog of atmosphere modeling in Las Vegas, and I really liked the way my makeup turned out the day that I wore the long white dress. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you should definitely go watch that vlog. But at the end of that day, my makeup was still looking pretty good, and I worked like a full shift, so I was inspired to recreate it. So that's the look I'm doing today. I have a few marks because I was like popping some pimples, but besides that, my skin's been really good lately. I'm gonna do a how I cleared my acne video. So now that I have SPF, this is literally my holy grail. Like, I love this thing. I'm literally out. They sent it to me, but I need to go buy some more. Now we're gonna fan again. I feel like fanning is so important. And don't mind my eyebrows. I did them before I got on camera. And I haven't gotten my eyebrows laminated in a while. I really need to go. But I bought the Got To Be gel and attempted to slick them up, and it just like didn't really work. So they look a mess. Basically, the only thing I brought to Vegas with me in my makeup bag were these e.l.f. concealers and then the LA Girl Pro concealers. I'll have everything, like all my colors listed down below. I got light sand and then light beige because I didn't know. They literally look exactly the same, and I didn't know which one would be my color better. One was like a more pink tone, and the other one was a more yellow tone, and I've always been told that I have yellow like undertones, and then I just grab whatever beauty blender and then I kind of just blend it in. I don't really do anything too special with this. Pretty much use the white one underneath my eyes like this. I like it really bright under my eyes. Then I grab a like thicker concealer that matches like my skin a little bit better. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. It's pretty much like almost out. It's in the color NC25. Grab my ring finger, look for the little imperfections and dot it on. I learned this technique to like dot on for textured imperfections. I learned this technique from Michaela on TikTok. If you know who Michaela is, amazing. If you don't, you should definitely follow her. She's so cute. She's from Boston, and she gives like really good makeup tips. I really like her stuff. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I have a tan right now, so it's not gonna match me exactly. And I really found that this works really well. Then just blending it around. And this concealer is like really full coverage. How are you guys today? It's like so freaking hot over here right now. It's like 95. I live in a hotter part of LA. I feel like it's always warmer, more inland. So it's always so much hotter over here. So it looks pretty good. Then I go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. So I have another one in the color Chestnut, but to be honest, I don't look at like which color when I'm doing it. I usually just grab one and then that's it for the day. They look pretty much exactly the same to me. Oh my gosh, this one just exploded. Now I'm taking my Marble Beauty Blender to blend it out. And when I blend my contour, I usually go up. And I start off with a little bit because I always make the mistake of putting too much and then it looking muddy and not very cute and not airbrushed and blended, which is like the goal. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a little bit more for my like contour. Also, I'm dyeing my hair very soon. Hopefully by the next video, my hair will be done, but I'm gonna dye it all one color. You guys should guess what color you think I'm gonna dye it. Honestly, my like inspo for this makeup is, have you guys seen the movie Made in Manhattan? If you have, the scene where J-Lo comes in and she's wearing that really long, pretty baby pink dress, and like she walks in and then everyone turns to look at her and she has like her updo. Her makeup in that scene, freaking gorgeous, gorgeous. She has like the most beautiful pink blush, a bright like white under eye. It looks so pretty. She's so bronzed. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god. That's like the inspo behind this look, honestly. So then we brought a little bit of color back into the face. It looks better in person. Like honestly, these lights are washing me out. I recently purchased these two liquid blushes. I really want to try the Rare Beauty blushes and other liquid blushes that are coming out now because it's like such a trend. But I have these NYX Sweet Cheeks ones. I have Coralicious and Baby Doll. I don't remember which one I was using that day, so I'm just gonna do Coralicious because it's giving more summer vibes. So on the apples of your cheeks, I put it like out here, closer down to like the contour almost, like right here and right here. What the heck is that? Oh, that's my pimple. And then I grabbed the back side of the contour sponge. And then and I blend like into the contour. And also, sorry if you notice that my bed is like slightly off. It's kind of like bothering me. It might be bothering you if you have OCD, but yeah, sorry about that. And then I just bring it up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try and contour my nose, except for I need to bring this mirror like right up to me. Okay, just noticed that my contour is a little lopsided. How do you guys get your nose contour like straight? You know what? Actually, I think I can save this. Okay, so battery's dying. What a mess. Okay, we're just gonna do it till the battery dies. So we're just gonna boop, 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 boop. Okay, wait, it's actually coming together. And then I kind of just like blend the lines on this side. A little trick to make your bottom lip appear a little bit bigger is put a little shadow right underneath there. Beauty blender. I don't really need to do this, but I like to do it. And what I do now is I clean up like this. I go straight up like that. So here I'm just bringing the concealer like in and getting the two dark lines like skinnier and skinnier and skinnier. And this will create the illusion of a skinnier nose. Honestly, I struggle with my nose contour all the time. I put a little bit of the white concealer down the bridge and use like the very narrow side of the sponge. I powder very slightly. This is optional. Like you don't have to powder if you don't need to, if you don't want to. I love this powder. It's a little baby one that I got as, I don't even know what I got this in, but it's the Huda Beauty banana powder, and I'm definitely buying the full size because this is so bomb for your under eyes. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me because it works so bomb. Here is the Huda Beauty powder. Then I grab a tiny little sponge that can go in the crevice, pat it on my hand, and then I start going in. See how it's like coming together with the powder? And while I'm like with the powder, I still continue to shape and mold. Powder the eyelids because product gets stuck in the corners and in the creases. I took a long break because I was really hungry, so I had some quinoa. Then I grab my big sponge and then my regular powder, and I only grab a little because I don't want to be overly powdered. Like I said, I don't really love the look of that, so I just go like this and kind of cut my blush and my contour. Cut it like that so it's like sharp. This is like my holy grail to make me look bronzed again because I'm obviously very white in the face. I need to bronze it up, so I use my Too Faced, it's really old, Milk Chocolate Soleil Light Medium Matte Bronzer. Literally, I hit pan like a long time ago. I just grab like a fluffy brush like this. I start up here because I want to see how much product I'm laying down. and I don't want to mess up my whole everything else I have going on if I picked up accidentally like too much product. So I start up here. So then I kind of just pat it in, come down. And then just dusting my chin a little bit. Next, I use the same brush that I just grabbed and I go in with the contour. This is the Hoola bronzer, the giant one, because I'm like obsessed with Hoola bronzer. You either like it or you don't. Like, there's no really like in between, I feel like. So I just kind of put it on the outer part of my brush, like on this part. And then I use that line to just guide like a straight line down my like, for like that definition. And I keep it up here. I don't really bring it down. So it looks like that. Same with the other side. And then I always kind of like bringing it into my hairlines because my hairline is usually really white. And then on my ears. And then see, I never put any powder on my cheeks, so they still look very luminous and I love that look. So for my eyelids, you can use any eyeshadow palette that you want that's like very like natural, but I just had my Hoola bronzer when I was in Vegas, so I use this in my crease. I already put powder on my eyelids so that it wouldn't stick and it would blend easier. I just put white powder in here. And then I just go like this, very lightly. Then I'm grabbing a blush. Any blush will work. I like a nice bright blush, but you can do whichever. I'm gonna do actually this one today. It's from a Tarte little holiday gift set, and just kind of put it on my nose bridge, not on the tip. I was doing it on the tip for a while and it kind of just looked like I was really cold or had a runny nose. And it's cute, but like for that like summer vibe, like you just got kissed by the sun, put it on your bridge like that. And then I'm gonna grab a little more so it'll blend easier and just so we can match. It's like so I love a blush. Like I'll OD on blush. Like I just put the Laneige little lip sleeping mask on. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then put mascara on. Let me find it. And then I literally have a drawer full of mascaras. Just grab your favorite mascara. Today I'm going to be using the It's So Big by Elizabeth Mott mascara and then the Marc Jacobs mascara. I'm going to mix the two. So I used to be so particular about my mascaras like when I was in high school. And I honestly feel like now for me, it really makes no difference. I feel like they're all kind of the same for the most part. I mean, obviously like you'll get every now and then one that's just like terribly flaky and you see it like on your under eyes later, but I haven't seen that in a really long time with any mascaras. I feel like they're all pretty good. Okay, but I did see a video that taught me to like brush the outer hairs more out, like brush these ones more up to like completely like expand in every side of your eye, if that makes sense, as opposed to trying to brush them just straight up. So that's how I've always done my mascara. Sorry, I put on mascara and I had to transfer over my files to my terabyte, but I'm gonna put on my lashes now. These are the Tati lashes, I believe. Also, if you hear the timer go off, I'm cooking right now. I'm making Spanish style stuffed peppers and my mom made it a couple of times. And so I wanted to try it, so she sent me the recipe, but yeah, I have the timer going. I've been using the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. Here it is. In the shade Pillow Talk. I can literally line my lips so quick. Then I grabbed the other two that came with the Pillow Talk. I think they're both Pillow Talk. It's like that little trio they were selling on Sephora. So I think one is like a lip plumper. Pillow Talk is like so pretty. I think it looks so amazing on everybody. This is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up for me and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.